Hello everyone! In today's video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this Realme GT Neo smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. Next, just go to the apps and notifications category, or just apps. In here, choose the default apps section, browser app, and just select Opera by simply tapping on it. And that will effectively mean that you have successfully made Opera your default browser on this device. There is also the second way to do that directly from the settings. So let's go ahead and, directly from the Opera application. So let's go ahead and open it. Here, tap on the avatar picture at the bottom right corner of your display, gear, icon that stands for settings. Next, scroll down, and then go for the default browser. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.